The holidays are here, and what better way to get entertaining tips? I haven't had any eggnog yet.
You need some.
I know, I do. Is with Manage Mom Rachel Harris, or Manic Manage Mom.
That's the one.
Because it's that time of year where we are going kind of crazy, trying to get things going for the family. But I love that Shamrock kind of has you covered in all different ways of making drinks or just wanting to sip it right out of the bottle,
Oh, yeah. Oh, I know. That eggnog, you can't go wrong with that. But absolutely true. My blog, managedmoms.com, has partnered with Shamrock Farms. And today we're bringing you some sips, dips, and desserts.
Ooh.
Oh, yeah. To enhance your holiday meal planning, Brad.
Yes.
So let's start with the drinks over here. And you're going to
Okay.
notice, too, that we're going to be using some of the same farm fresh, high quality Shamrock Farms products to make a variety of dishes and drinks that stretches your dollar, right?
I like
We're working
that.
smart.
Okay.
So first of all, the first drink we're going to talk about,
Okay.
that is a white Christmas.
Right
and
there.
check it out. That uses Shamrock Farms traditional eggnog,
Okay.
white chocolate liqueur, yum yum, and your favorite whiskey. How does that sound?
I like that.
Yeah.
So.
Oh, I like that too. Topped it off with some chocolate shavings, and that recipe you can get for yourself at shamrockfarms.net.
But I'm going to make that dish right now. I'm
Well,
going to make
now
that
we're
drink.
going to make a pumpkin pie smash
Oh,
drink. How's that sound?
I was
You want to do that?
Yeah, okay, let's go with that.
So what you're going to do, this is one of my favorite seasonal products they have, the
Okay.
Shamrock Farms Pumpkin Spice Eggnog. Go ahead
Okay.
and grab that.
Grab that?
I've already measured
Whoops.
in, that's all right.
All right, okay.
We're in here working.
All right.
I've already measured in 1.5 ounces, so go ahead
Okay.
and fill that because it calls for 3 ounces of that, and you can
All right,
add
so-
that to our shaker there.
Okay, more or no?
That's plenty.
That's it? 'Cause you
That'll
already did
work.
some already for me?
That'll
Okay.
work. And then we're going to have you add some bourbon. How does that
Okay,
sound?
that sounds good.
We're going to do 2 ounces of that, so you could, you can just even eye it.
Right?
We're having
Just-
fun.
We're eyeballing it.
Yeah,
It's
just eyeball
It's
it.
a weekend.
That's it. It's the holidays.
There you go.
All right.
More
and
or
then,
no?
No, that's good. Well, if you
listen,
want more, I
you know what?
It is Brad we're talking
Someone's
about.
in-laws are going to be at that house, so let's just give a little more there for you.
more.
Just a little more.
Okay.
We know how
I
that's
think it's
going
a
to
good
go.
idea, Brad.
Okay.
2 dashes of bitters.
Okay. So
right here. So just 2 dashes, just throw that in.
Whoa.
That works. That
Okay.
works. And
Like
then
that?
put the lid on and
Oh,
shake it up for me.
Okay. All right.
We're going to shake, shake, shake.
This is a mess. This is why.
That's all right.
Okay.
This is
Here
real
we go.
light.
Ready?
Okay. Oh, there we are. Shake, shake,
Gotta
shake.
get it on there tight. Oh.
Shake, shake, shake. All right, I like it, Brad. And then we've got the prepared martini glass with our crushed ice. And just pour that right
Just
on there.
right on
and
it?
look at that. And I wish you could smell it because it smells so
does.
good too. And then
that
take a
sounds good.
cinnamon stick. Look, I found these great
This right
big
here?
ones. Yeah, I found
Okay.
those on Amazon.
Just slide it in there?
Pop that in there. And you've got 2 delicious different drinks to offer your guests.
There you go.
Don't you love that?
I love. Okay.
Yeah.
Let's move to a little
Okay,
appetizer.
When they have their cocktails, they want to graze, right?
Yes.
So we brought 2 different dips that, again, use 2 of the same products from Shamrock Farms, and that would be the Shamrock Farms Sour Cream and the Shamrock Farms Whole Milk. We've got a green goddess dip and a dill dip, and the recipes for those are at shamrockfarms.net.
Yes, I like
Okay.
where it's in the, of course, the
Yes, the bell peppers.
bell peppers, and then you can eat that afterwards and stuff.
My amazing food stylist, Julie McMillan, did that for us. And you know what else she did?
What?
Check it out. She made this gorgeous peppermint eggnog cheesecake from scratch.
No.
And you can get the recipe, again, at shamrockfarms.net.
Wow.
And that uses Shamrock Farms sour cream.
I like that.
Yeah,
Okay,
okay.
all right.
Are
We're getting there.
you-
Can I cut that now or no?
Not yet.
Okay, okay.
I'm going to put you to work.
Oh,
You're going to
more
roll up your
work?
sleeves some more.
Okay, more drinks.
Are you ready? We're going to make an after-dinner coffee that's going to have a little cinnamon whiskey in it.
Ooh,
It's called a
okay.
cinnamon bun.
I like that.
All right, so here's
Okay.
what we're going to do. We've already got our coffee.
Okay.
I love this product, Shamrock Farms Irish Whiskey Eggnog. I'm just going
Okay.
to pour a little bit in there.
Irish
and
whiskey
then,
eggnog?
Yes. Isn't
Is there
that the
whiskey in it?
best? Oh, my goodness. We're going
Is
to
there-
add, you know what, we're going to add a little of our own.
But-
How about some Fireball? Pour
Okay.
that in there for me. You
Want
wanna
me to
do
pour
it?
some of that in there?
Yeah,
Into
pour
the
some of
glass?
that in there for me.
All right, let's. Can
Here
you
we go.
see?
Fireball. Just pour that in.
Fireball.
But really, any
How much
cinnamon
do I put in
whiskey,
there?
that'll work. Just
That'll-
pour it in
that'll
there.
work? Oh, pour
Yep.
the whole thing in.
Just do it. Let's
Okay,
just do it.
all right,
It's
there you go.
typically 2 ounces. But
Oh, is it? Oh, okay.
And then we're going to do, ready?
Okay.
Just a little bit of the cinnamon syrup and a little bit of
Just
the
a little bit?
Yep, just a little bit. It's really 3/4 of an ounce.
That's
all right?
enough?
And a little bit of French vanilla.
Okay.
And then, this is so cool, we'll give that a stir.
Okay.
We have been over here steaming milk.
Yes,
All
that you were
right?
very worried about.
Yes.
She was so worried about the steamed
I want it to
milk.
be perfect. 'cause
So-
Brad, you're my friend. I want to make
There
you
you go.
something good. So let's take a spoon, and you want to take some of the creamy part
let
and
me
put
take-
that on top.
I get to,
Yeah,
okay. Wow.
you got to do
Oh.
it. You got to put
So
that
not
on
only
there.
do you get the steamed milk,
See?
you get the little, oh.
I mean, this is an incredible after-dinner coffee drink.
Oh, wow.
All right, then stir that a little bit for me. Stir
Stir
that
it around?
Yeah, because guess what?
What,
We
there's
have
more?
homemade whipped topping that we
Oh.
made with Shamrock Farms heavy whipping cream
Oh,
and a little
oh.
confectioner sugar.
I see what's
So,
going on.
You see what's
Oh,
going on?
yeah.
So can you grab that, Brad, for me? I'll
Okay,
take
yes,
this
you
from
take that.
And just put a few dollops on top.
Dollops?
Let's just do
What's
it.
a dollop?
I-
That's a dollop?
Yeah, I believe so. But you know what?
That's-
Let's do a lot. It's the holidays.
I know. Let's do a dollar.
Extra everything.
A dollar.
All right, a little
all right.
more, and then we're going to top it with some cinnamon.
Oh.
We're going to put in another cinnamon stick,
And
and
we
there
have
you
it.
have it. All the recipes are at shamrockfarms.net, and give them a follow on Instagram at Shamrock Farms Milk, and also Shamrock Farms on Facebook, and what is it, X, formerly known as Twitter.
There it is.
All right.
I like it. Rachel, thank you very much.
Thank
Really quick, tell them where they
you.
can find you again.
And I've got my information at managedmoms.com. And Brad, happy holidays. I love doing
Same
the show
to you.
with you.
All right, I'm ready to cut the cheesecake.
All right, you ready? We need
Come
a
on
knife.
back. We got more mix for you after this.